Algebra. Solve equation by adding. So in algebra we always have variables, and in equations we always have an equal to sign. When we say solve equation, we really mean find the value of x so that the equation is true. That means left side is equal to right side. That's the whole idea, right? Now the question here is solve the following equations and check your answer. So there are two parts to this question. First, solving the equation. That means to find the value of x, and then checking your answer. So we'll do both the parts one by one. X minus 1 equals to 6. We need to find equation with the solution. That means find the value of x. Now on the left side, as you see, we have x minus 1. We want what x is, so we should get rid of minus 1. Now to get rid of minus 1, what we can do is we can add 1 on both the sides. So if I add 1 on both sides, what do I get? That is what we will see. We get x, which is already here, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So we just get x here equals to 6 plus 1 is 7. So we get the value of x, and that is what we wanted. We wanted a value of x. So in this fashion, we have solved our equation. So that is the solution. So this is the first part, and that is solution, right? Solution is x equals to 7. And now let us check. Now to check, what should we do? To check, we'll place the value of 7 for x and see what do we get. We do 7 minus 1, and 7 minus 1 is 6. Perfect. That is the right side, correct? So we started with the left side, placed the value of x as 7, and got the same value, which was on the other side of equality. That means the equation is true. So this is the right solution. So we get that is perfect. Now we'll do the same method for the next question. Again, it is x minus 5 equals to 1. We need x. We don't want minus 5. So what should we add here to get rid of minus 5? Well, it should be plus 5. So we do just the reverse of that number, right? Plus 5, and in equation you do same things on both the sides. So when you add 5 on both the sides, then the equation gets transformed, and we get x on the left side of the equation, since minus 5 plus 5 is 0, and on the right side we get 1 plus 5, which is 6. So this is our solution, correct? So we can write here as that is our answer or solution. Now the second part is to check the solution. To check the solution, we have to place the value of 6 for x. So we get on the left side, we can write 6 for x, so we get 6 minus 5, and 6 minus 5 is 1. And you notice 1 is equals to the right side. So that is a part of checking, right? So that is the check we did, and it was successful, since the value of x really made both sides of the equation same. So that is the gist of it. I'd like you to watch this video once again and understand how we did this. And follow these steps to solve part C and D, which are very similar, right? So x minus 10 equals to 3. Copy the question. Now to find the value of x, we need to add 10 on both sides. If I do plus 10 here, minus 10 plus 10 becomes 0. We are left with x. And plus 10 on the right side will make it 13. So 13 becomes solution. And to check, I can place x as 13. 13 minus 10 is 3. So it's the right solution. Similarly, in D, x minus 7 equals to 12. When you add 7 on both the sides, you get x equals to 12 plus 7, which is 19. 19 minus 7 is indeed 12, so that is the right solution. So copy these questions, solve them on your own, and move on to the next set, where we'll do kind of similar thing to solve equation and check its solution. Thank you and all the best.